industrial style isn't just a design choice, it's a statement of personality, character, and edge. When introduced into a tiny home, it becomes even more powerful. This aesthetic takes raw materials, exposed textures, and purposeful simplicity and turns them into a bold expression of modern creativity. In this video, we'll explore how industrial-inspired elements add excitement, practicality, and undeniable mood to small spaces without feeling cold or chaotic. The industrial aesthetic draws inspiration from old factories, converted warehouses, and mid-century workspaces. It celebrates imperfections, embraces authenticity, and values materials that tell a story. Metal beams, brick walls, and weathered wood are more than decor, they symbolize resilience and craftsmanship. Bringing this style into a tiny home means infusing history into every nook, giving compact living a sense of depth and narrative that feels rich, grounded, and incredibly stylish. One of the biggest strengths of the industrial tiny home look is its use of raw, unfinished materials. Think exposed pipes, stainless steel surfaces, reclaimed wooden shelves, and concrete accents. These elements remove the need for excessive decoration because the materials themselves are works of art. In small spaces, they bring dimension and texture, creating visual interest without taking up valuable square footage, all while giving your home a grounded, artisanal feel. Industrial interiors thrive on openness. Even in a tiny house, you can mimic that airy warehouse atmosphere by minimizing visual barriers. Open shelving, low-profile furniture, and multifunctional zones help the home breathe. This not only creates the illusion of more space but also encourages better flow and functionality. By embracing an open concept, your tiny home feels less like a constrained box and more like a flexible, adaptable living space. The industrial color palette leans into deep neutrals, earthy blacks, smoky grays, and warm brown tones. These colors are both calming and striking, perfect for creating depth in a compact space. When combined with natural light, they create shadows and contrasts that feel cinematic. Incorporating metallic tones like iron, brass, or steel further enhances the industrial atmosphere, ensuring every corner feels intentional, cohesive, and delightfully modern. Industrial lighting is iconic, functional, and full of personality. Pendant lights with metal shades, exposed Edison bulbs, track lighting, and steel floor lamps all bring structural beauty into your tiny home. Lighting becomes a stylistic signature rather than just a utility. The warm glow from vintage-style bulbs softens the raw materials and adds a moody, cozy layer. This contrast of warm light and cool materials gives industrial spaces their irresistible charm. From black iron hardware to brushed steel fixtures, metal is the backbone of the industrial aesthetic. In a tiny house, metal accents become both functional and decorative, enhancing durability while creating visual consistency. Cabinet handles, stair railings, window frames, and even exposed hinges contribute to the gritty, urban-inspired atmosphere. These subtle touches elevate the tiny home, proving that small spaces can make a big statement with the right details. Industrial style thrives on character, and nothing brings more character than vintage or reclaimed furniture. A weathered wooden stool, an antique trunk used as a coffee table, or an old factory cart turned into shelving, all add soul to your space. These pieces introduce nostalgia and authenticity while maintaining practicality. In tiny homes, vintage items also double as multifunctional pieces, blending usefulness and aesthetic appeal in a way that feels organic and thoughtful. Tiny homes demand smart, flexible furniture, and industrial design pairs with that need beautifully. Consider metal-framed sofa beds, fold-down desks with reclaimed wood tops, or dining tables that double as prep stations. These pieces are strong, simple, and full of personality. They embody the industrial mindset of practicality and honesty. Every item in your home feels intentional and capable, proving you don't need excess to create comfort and style. Industrial tiny homes often embrace open shelving because it enhances airflow and expands visual space. Using materials like steel brackets and reclaimed planks, shelves become functional sculptures. They showcase kitchen essentials, decor pieces, or plants in a way that feels curated rather than cluttered. Open shelves also encourage mindful organization, motivating you to keep surfaces clean, streamlined, and aesthetically pleasing, an essential habit for comfortable tiny living. Nothing defines industrial style like the rugged textures of brick and concrete. While a tiny home may not come with authentic brick walls, you can incorporate faux panels or textured paints to achieve the same effect. Concrete countertops, floors, or accent walls add urban sophistication without overwhelming the space. These materials create a grounding foundation, offering a visually striking backdrop that enhances metal accents and warm lighting beautifully. To keep industrial interiors from feeling too harsh, textiles are essential. Soft cotton throws, leather cushions, woven rugs, and linen curtains warm up the space while maintaining the minimalist feel. In a tiny home, textiles add layers of comfort without adding bulk. Neutral tones help maintain the aesthetic's cohesion, and natural textures offer a balancing softness that turns the home into a cozy sanctuary with industrial flair. Plants are a powerful way to soften industrial spaces. Their organic shapes and vibrant greenery add contrast to the metal and concrete textures. In tiny homes, even small potted plants or hanging vines can make a big difference. They purify the air, brighten dark corners, and add a sense of life. Industrial style doesn't mean cold, it simply means thoughtful contrast, and greenery accomplishes that with refreshing ease. Industrial design pairs naturally with minimalist living. In small spaces, clutter is the enemy of beauty and comfort. Choosing fewer but more impactful pieces is key. From streamlined furniture to simple wall decor, every item should serve a purpose. This mindset creates harmony within the industrial aesthetic, allowing raw materials and bold accents to take center stage without competing for attention. The result is a tiny home that feels spacious, intentional, and stylish. Even tiny kitchens can radiate industrial charm. Metallic appliances, black fixtures, open shelving, and butcher block counters all create a cohesive look. Stainless steel is both practical and visually powerful, adding shine and strength. A compact kitchen becomes a design highlight when industrial elements are used intentionally. Every detail, from the faucet to the cabinet handles, contributes to the big personality you're bringing into a compact space. Many tiny homes feature lofts, and industrial style is perfect for emphasizing their structural beauty. Metal ladders, steel railings, and exposed beams turn lofts into architectural features. Using darker tones or rugged materials helps define the loft as a cozy hideaway. Whether it's a bedroom or a reading nook, the loft becomes a dramatic yet intimate space, showcasing the industrial aesthetic's unique blend of strength and comfort. Industrial decor is about choosing pieces that add personality without clutter. Clocks with metal frames, wire baskets, distressed artwork, and handmade ceramics all fit seamlessly into this style. These accents give your home depth while maintaining the minimalist industrial balance. In a tiny house, decor should feel curated and meaningful, enhancing the mood rather than overwhelming the senses. The right finishing touches tie the entire aesthetic together effortlessly. The industrial tiny house aesthetic proves that small spaces can be incredibly bold, inspiring, and expressive. By embracing raw materials, thoughtful furniture choices, vintage charm, and functional design, you can transform even the smallest home into a powerful statement of style. Industrial design celebrates authenticity and purpose, reminding us that a tiny footprint doesn't limit creativity, it amplifies it. With the right vision, your tiny home can shine with unmistakable personality and timeless industrial flair.